Welcome to Candid Travels, Texas. Now that is not Texas. That is Yosemite National Park, long time ago. Celebrity Stone, long time ago. Alright, so this is what we have here for C3PO. As you know, R2-D2 is finished. His process is over. And last week we had C3PO's head and skull, which took a long time. As you can see, his eyes, had to create his brain first and then put his head on the outside and his neck. Last week we had just the foot and the calf. But this took quite a while. I had to create a very intricate knee cap. That took a long time. Then the thigh. So we've got the whole leg and the whole head. That is the process of creating C3PO. R2-D2, where are you? I don't know, I just keep wanting to say, look, his head is connected to his thigh. Anyway, so that's where we're at right now. C3PO's head and his thigh. Gotta make the other leg. Oh boy. Took a long time. Here we go. R2-D2, right. Where are you? R2-D2, where are you? Alright, so guess what? I ended up making the second leg, which took a little bit less time since I constructed the first leg. So there you go. That's one leg, two legs, and his head. Alright, well, welcome to Candid Travels, Texas. It is now Thanksgiving season. And I just wanted to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving 2018 from Central Texas. So welcome to Candid Travels, Texas, and we just want to wish you a happy Thanksgiving. Right, Allison? Yeah. There she is in the background. And so for Thanksgiving, we have for the ATX ITAC family at www.facebook.com/ATX Internal Tactical Arts, the actual Thanksgiving tactic. Now, what does that even mean? Well, just be thankful for everything and make every day a Thanksgiving. And so anyway, everything a Thanksgiving. The trick here, the tactic and the trick here is that, it's easy to be thankful when something nice happens. This is what it looks like right now, Thanksgiving in Central Texas. And but be thankful for times when things don't feel great, because for example, the human body feels pain for a reason. It's a signal that something isn't right, and if we're not thankful for those things, we won't actually be able to enjoy Thanksgiving. So okay, it's pretty cold, but this is what the pond looks like. You can see the little ripples. That's the fish, actually, and I'm thankful for the fish. There's Lucy next door. All right, so I wanted to share a Thanksgiving recipe to you all right now. Now, this is Taimak Goriello. He is the same generation away from Grandmaster Yip Man as I am. He is one of his Wing Chun teachers is Grandmaster Ron Van Cleef, also known as a Black Dragon from the 1970s. And this is his autobiography that is truly phenomenal. I really enjoy it. I highly recommend it. But anyway, for the Thanksgiving tactics, just be thankful for everything, especially if something is seriously tough. But what Grandmaster Taimak has done is he got permission from his mom, to give away the sweet potato pie recipe. Okay? And it's like a family heirloom type of thing. It's supposed to be delicious. So Happy Thanksgiving to everybody, and I'm going to share this with you guys and highly recommend you read Taimak's autobiography. There's like really great pictures in here, and Taimak played the character of Bruce Leroy in the movie called The Last Dragon. This is the 30-year anniversary release, and we had the premiere here in Austin. In 2015, when I was at the premiere for Bruce the Challenge in Hollywood, so I didn't get to go to that. But anyway, here is his ingredients. It's Lorita's sweet potato pie recipe, and it's pretty cool here. 3 medium sweet potatoes, a dash of salt, half a stick of butter, 1 egg, tablespoon of cinnamon, tablespoon of ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, teaspoon of ginger, cup of organic cane sugar, so we have to get that, or organic brown sugar, oh boy, 2 tablespoons of vanilla, can of evaporated milk. If you like coconut, add half a cup. Directions: boil sweet potatoes until they're soft and take off the skin. Now, I would not do this. I think Allison enjoys this, right? So yes. I'll let her do that. She likes to cook. So add butter, stir well, add spice. You can use my Irish butter on that one. Yeah. Right? Yeah. Okay. Spices and sugar. Then egg, mix well, and add the can of milk. Mix well. Pour 9 inches pie shell and bake at 350. You know how to do all this?
Yep.
Get a large mixing bowl and place the sweet potato inside the oven anywhere from 60 to 90 minutes until done. Okay. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Now, I know how to do this too. I just don't enjoy it. I worked in a restaurant before professionally. She hasn't. So anyway, this is there are some pictures. Here is Taimak. That's him on the right when he was right after he did The Last Dragon, and that is Mike Tyson, the boxer, and this is Shidoshi Ron Van Cleef, the Black Dragon, back in the day. I believe this was in the 80s. And then there's tons of pictures of his family, and he's half Italian and half African American, and he's a very good martial artist. He's also a performer and actor and model and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, all right, happy Thanksgiving, and shout out to Taimak if you are watching this right now. All right, hey, thanks for the invite to the Urban Action Showcase in New York City, which I was not able to attend, but I trust it was fantastic, and I wish I will be able to go one day soon. All right, talk to you later. Happy Thanksgiving.